how to quickly transfer music from Android to USB using an OTG adapter. So if you want to quickly transfer music from Android to USB using an OTG adapter, then what you need to do is first, you need to connect your phone to a USB or an adapter. Once you've connected, you need to come to your Files application, search for Files. You'll get this kind of interface. You need to scroll down a bit and then you will have All Storage. Under All Storage, you will get this kind of interface, right? Your internal storage, your SD card, if you have inserted SD card, and then your OneDrive, your Google, everything. So if you've inserted a USB or an OTG adapter, then you will find this kind of interface, which is USB storage 1 or whichever name that you've given to your USB. Once you have your device name under your storage, you need to just go with your files, select the audio section. After selecting audio, now if you want to quickly transfer the music or an audio from Android to USB, then first select the audio that you would like to transfer. Go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then you need to tap on Move To. And under Internal Storage here, you will have your USB. You need to go and select your USB and then tap on Move here, which will be in the bottom. And it will be moved to your USB from your Android's internal storage. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.